Corona self-test kit. Come on. All right, y'all. I just got that Corona test kit. We're gonna show you what it's about, what's up in there, how to use it, all the good stuff. Package. All right, it's a new day.
The next day.
Yesterday, we couldn't go through with completing this because the post office was closed at 12 p.m. But today, it closes at 5. So, just washed my hands. So now, getting into the package. Let's open this up. So, you're gonna make sure that barcode is the same on everything that you have. That package back there. The return box, the vial, and your biohazard bag is right there. Read the instructions before you open the test kit. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. Just did that. Find the nearest royalty mail. Register your test kit online. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and register our kit online first. So they send you an email beforehand, and after you receive this package, complete the kit, the online version. Alright, so just finished registering online. When you go throughout the steps, they're gonna ask you to put in 2 sets of barcodes. Just under the barcode, you're gonna wanna put in this GB tracking code. After that, they're going to ask you for your URN barcode just under the vial. You can find it on your biohazard bag and the plastic wrap that all your stuff came in. Once you do all that, you're going to get a confirmation. They're going to ask us to see if you're a robot. Some of y'all are some bots, so y'all might not pass. All right. The video provided by the NHS tell us that we need to swab this against our tonsils 5 times without touching any area with our mouth. Put this in your nose, 1 nostril, spin it around 5 times, put it in the vial. You're done. All right. Vial. Unscrew this. All right, gotta put this down deep in here. There we go. Done and dusted. All right, my phone ran out of storage, so we're on this one. We got to assemble the box. Great. I was looking at that shit upside down. I really thought I had figured it out. Okay, it's a box. It's a box loop. Let me pause this, bro. I'm stuck.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, we're getting placed. And then, see, I figured out you're supposed to fold this one a second time over, up, and under. The slips fit into the slots. I'm a genius. Now, have to put the vial in the plastic bag, followed with the absorbent pad. All right, we're putting the vial and the rest of the stuff in the biohazard bag. Bam! Woo!